Warning, this is how I personally complete each project. I do have some mechanical and electrical knowledge. Use this video at your own risk. I am not and will not be responsible for any damage that may occur while you attempt to repeat as I do. Always follow all manufacturer warnings and instructions. Consult a professional if you are unsure.
DADDYGVILLE'S world.
Step 1. Find you something clean and hard like a Bondo mixing board, piece of glass, metal, or plastic. Like I did, I used the boys' old Lego road because they don't use it anymore. Now, what I'm using is an $8 can of 3M Bondo filler, but I'm only using it to help fill and reshape my fender wells. I used Bondo glass and adhesive aluminum plates to fill the hole after I grinded and cleaned all the rust away, but that's another video. Step 2. Now myself, I mix small amounts like a 3 to 4 inch circle at about a half an inch to an inch high. Step 3. Now take your hardener and run one long bead across the 3 to 4 inch of filler. Never mix them together like you would a cake. Fold and scrape along the board like so until it becomes a tan or salmon color. Now, it's time to spread it on the fender well. Hope you guys learned something new. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a video.
You're getting all hung up on imaginary problems. You gotta focus on what's real, man.